What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I'm in the attic of a new construction property and I'm looking at a couple of water heaters. I found a couple of problems with these things. Come with me and take a look. Okay, so the first thing I want you to know is that I've already gone through the house and run hot water at all the fixtures. And we are receiving hot water at all the fixtures. So that's the first thing I do to make sure that we've got working water heaters. But when I come up into the attic, my inspection of the water heater isn't over, because now I get to look at the units, see how they're installed, and see if we have any other issues. Check this out. Now the one on the right here, we've got an issue with the draft hood. You can see this little leg is bent and the flue is not properly sitting on top of the draft hood. The draft hood's actually not centered over where the water heater exhaust actually is. And this should really be mechanically attached with sheet metal screws. So this whole situation really needs to get improved. When you look over here at the left one, it looks a bit better. It's definitely, the draft hood installed a little bit better and everything's a little bit more straight. We're still missing the screws, but everything looks good in regards to how it's sitting and it's straight, and the draft hood's properly sitting on top of the water heater. Okay, so when I first came up here to these water heaters, I looked at the controls and they were both on and on hot. I always like to adjust that a little bit so I can see the flame, make sure that they're kicking on, check exhaust, things like that. The right one did just fine. It's running right now. The left one, although it was in the on position, there was no flame. Now, with that being said, I want to take you in to the right one so I can show you the flame, because it's doing a good job. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here is your flame for your water heater. You can see it's mostly blue. That's what you want to see. So as I stated before, the one on the left had no flame, even though it was on. So I attempted to light it and something interesting happened. Let me take you in for a closer look. You can see on this one the flame is mostly orange. That is completely different. Much, much different than the one next to it that was blue. The difference in the flame on these two water heaters is due to a lack of combustion air. The blue flame shows that we have proper combustion air, and the orange flame is an indication that we do not. Now these are freshly installed water heaters on a brand new construction home. But we have some pretty major issues. This wouldn't have been detected just running through the house and running hot water, because these are run in series, so the whole house actually was supplied with hot water, even though one water heater was not performing properly. So I'm going to notate this in the report. The builder will send someone out here to get this problem taken care of, and these people will have 2 new working water heaters when they move in. All right, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm going to go finish inspecting this property. Hey, give me a call, because I want to inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey, you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.